Hi, this is IK. Welcome to the developer. You are a React Redux architect. Part 8. Single post page. Topic of this video is how create single post page. Here it is. This is post, a new post. And news is this links. View, concretely, view single post page. It is single post page. Link post, go back. View single post page. Look at here, it is a link. I want to talk about what we need for this. We need this link, view post, and here it means that single post page is separate page. It is new page, and for that we must link. It is post list, and behind every post we have a view post, we have a link that we can view that post. Because it is a separate page, single post page, we must install a router, and in app.js create a route. We need create route in app.js. We need create view post on post list, and we need create single page post, single post page, a single post page. It is. To create single post page, we need a user selector who will bring to component all posts, and by aim of parameters in address, here it is, 2 is post ID, by parameter in web address, take it parameter, by match params, and we find from all posts what coming by use selector from Redux, from state, coming to component, we find method find, array method find, conditions post ID equal parameter, and we have concretely single post. And here it is post SL. Let's go to coding. Here it is post list, post list. We need link. Of course, we before install npm install React Redux DOM monkey 5 version 5. Link for this project will be below of video in description, and you can always clone this project and to see concretely, all what I spoke about here in this video. We need link here, import link, post list, and link is here behind, below of reaction buttons. Here it is below of reaction buttons. View post, it is open link, open tab, view post and closed link. Link, there is properties. Link is a React element. What we have because of this package gives us a link, React router DOM, and React element link, there is a properties too, equal in curly brackets, because all this exists, we will see where, to posts slash post dollar in curly brackets post.id. It is in backstick. I lot of speak about backstick. Backstick is template literal. Backstick here is template literal is for take some part of string together with a variable. Here is a variable, and here is a string, and all that we write together by M of backstick, literal, template literal, and view post and closed a link. Here it is. Now look at this. We must go to app.js, and here import link, because I will have this link to post, and import browser router and all that what we need for create route, it also from React router DOM. And all, of course, import single post page, because root exact path equal, here it is, posts, we create it, slash after domain, posts slash column post ID. Here it is post ID, but here in post list, you look at, there is a post, but here is post ID, because in post list we know post.id, because you'll see post user, post date, post content, post, it is post ID, because here a link is same as reaction buttons, time ago, post author, h3, article, all that is together here like child on post list. Here it is, this is child, 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 child. This is that React element are child of posts list. Post list is parent, and parent received, user selector received all post, here it is, and all post and all fields inside post, of course, and here we take post by post, and every post go through this processing, and we have list of post. We have list of post with all that element here, and also element is a link, and every that element, post author, time ago, reaction buttons, link, all that elements, React elements, have properties because they are objects. In React, they are object, and object there is properties. Short, we call it props. User ID, take props from processing what beginning in parents. In parents, process beginning here, and go in article is HTML, and we use post ID for key, because every list must have a key, and ideal for key is ID, because ID is the unique identification of every post. Also, here you can see that article H3 paragraph P begin with a small case, but a React element begin with a capital case, capital letter. It is very, very important and very, very simple when we understand that. This is code what must be processing for every post. And because of that, this link here, there is a concretely post ID. But here in app.js, there is this post ID. Also, this is very important. This is root creation, and component here would be open single post page. And let's go now in single post page. Look at post ID. It means again app. In app root exact path. Here we create root and column post ID, but it is all about component single post page. And again, root is a React element. That React element, there is props, short of properties path, and in that path we create that slash posts column and post ID. And props is component properties. We look at in two properties, path and component. Component equal single post page. It means that would be this path would be open single post page. And root component single post page, let's go now to single post page. Single post page, there is a post ID here. Post ID equal post ID. Single post page need use selector, and single post page equal arrow function. Parameter of arrow function is a match. That match coming with that match is important for params, for take params from web address, and in curly brackets we declare a constant post ID equal match.params. In curly brackets, that object is post ID because of declaring in app here, we declare that as post ID. And because that from this we use curly brackets, it means that in single post page we have post ID with in address that root we in params there is a post ID and it is equal match object match dot params, and it is this match, it is object match dot params, means that in this post ID we have a post ID of that post what we click. Declaration of post, object post is use selector. Use selector, there is a parameter arrow function. Parameter of arrow function, we write state because it is state from Redux. It is here it is state dot posts. State dot post means all posts what we have, and must find method find, because posts state post is array. Every array there is a method find. Method find there is for parameter. Method find is method or function find. There is a parameter arrow function, and parameter of arrow function is post one by one until first one which satisfy this condition. Post.id equal post ID, this one, and we have post. It is singular. We have one post. Find give us one post object in curly brackets, not like map. Map method give us array, but find method give us object post, one object post here. And here it is only one logical if exclamation mark means no. If if there is no post, return post not found. But this is for us interesting. Return section article is HTML, post author, post title, post author, post time ago, post content, recommendation, and all here is look at post, this concretely post. We declare that post here. It is one object, one post, and we take title from that here in H2 HTML. In post author we use user ID equal post user, time ago post date, post content, here is post content, and reaction buttons post, we take post. It is object, it is React elements are object, and post author there is a user ID, what we see before, user ID props, properties, timestamp properties, and here is post properties. And all that we see here, we see title, author, time ago, and reaction buttons. Of course, here is content. I think I said all. It is important that post list below every post we have a view post, and it must go in post list. In app we have root, creation of root, and single page we take params, and by m of that params we find concretely post, unique single post, and use selector give us all posts. If you know somebody who need a video like this one, recommend it, share this video, comment, like, or subscribe if you need know every next video. Thank you for watching this video.